What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $97.80 in just 24 hours using Twitter and the power of CPA marketing with Max Bounty. But don't stress, I know when people hear Max Bounty, it's a mission to sign up or something like that. Has been issues like that in the past, but I have made a video on Max Bounty where you can literally guarantee yourself to get signed up. So don't stress about that. I will leave that down below in the link in the description if you want to see how to guarantee yourself to get signed up on Max Bounty. And on top of that, I also have an amazing alternative for you called CPA Leads, which is a great alternative, much easier to sign up than Max Bounty. But in this case, since I'm on Max Bounty already, I'm going to be using it for this video. So you can see today so far, I've made $97.80 doing this exact strategy. Yesterday I only made $86, this month about $900. So this is a very nice way to get some extra income on the side. This could become your full-time thing if you want to over time, but don't stress, like the title says, we're not gonna illegally hack Twitter or anything crazy like that. This is really gonna be an awesome trick that I use to make a total of $97.80 in just 24 hours. What I really like about this, the strategy works for itself. So you have people, you have social media that is literally going to do the work for you. So it only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to set up, and this strategy automatically kind of goes viral by itself, which I really like. And also, I want to give back to you guys. I really want to give you guys some value in this video, so just leave a like on this video and a comment, and perhaps share this video. That's all I ask. And I will leave a link on the pinned comment to a download link to a paid CPA course that I had to pay for, that you can now download for free. Otherwise, you don't have to do any of the liking or the commenting, and that I'll most likely just leave that there anyways if you want to go and check that out. But without further ado, the first website that I want to show you guys is called traffup.net. So traffup.net, let me just quickly come over to Twitter. On the Twitter section, how this works is you list your Twitter account on TraffUp or any Twitter post that you've made, and basically you go and like or tweet or leave a comment on other people's tweets or profiles, and you are going to rack up points on TraffUp. Then what you can do is you can exchange those points for engagement on Twitter. So let's say, for example, you have 100 points on TraffUp. Let me just actually log in quickly. So there we go, I just quickly logged in. As you can see, there's other people over here. So if you follow this person on Twitter, you're going to get 50 points. Now what happens is, if someone follows you, or if someone likes your post or retweets your Twitter post, you're going to get points subtracted. So for as long as you have points on your TraffUp account, you're going to get more engagement on Twitter. So it's also up to you to go and follow some of these profiles, gain some points, so people will then follow, retweet your posts, and that's how you're going to get your posts to go viral. So have a look at, for example, let's say I follow this guy on Twitter. I'm going to click on the follow button. This little pop-up is going to pop up for a couple of seconds. I'm just waiting for this to load. Yeah, you can see I'm going to click on follow. So there we go. You just have to wait for about 3 to 4 seconds, and you'll see here my points actually went from -75 to -25. The reason why I had -25 is because I actually had more people retweeting my post than what I could actually follow. So I went into the negatives, which is not a problem. So all you do is, for example, -25, I'm going to go follow this guy. I'm just going to quickly wait for this to pop up. Click on follow, wait about 3-4 seconds, and you'll see here in a bit. So you're just waiting for this timer to go down. In 20 seconds, there we go. I've now gone to 25 points. So I've got an extra 50 points. Now what's going to happen is I want to come over here. You want to click on add tweet. So before we go and enter the URL to our tweet, we need to come over to Twitter. So then over here, where we're going to go and type our tweet, we obviously need to put a tweet together that people are going to go and specifically retweet and kind of go viral for itself. We need to come over to Max Bounty. I've just come over to the search section over here where we need to find an offer. So I thought of doing something generic that will suit the entire audience. That is a money or a PayPal giveaway competition on Max Bounty, and for each lead that we get to that competition, we're going to get paid a certain amount of money. So for example, this person over here, they're doing a $5,000 giveaway. We're going to get $1.60 per person that we refer or get them to just sign up on this giveaway. And what's nice about this, our lead doesn't have to pay anything. So all they have to do is enter the email and their username or their name to enter the giveaway, and then you're going to get $1.60 to your Max Bounty account like this, and Max Bounty then pays to your PayPal account or wire transfer directly to your bank. So let's go to the search bar and we type in PayPal. I want to find a PayPal giveaway competition. So here you can see For example, use sweeps, win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card. So this is a competition where these guys are obviously having a $1,000 giveaway. Each lead that we refer to this giveaway is getting $2.40. So I'm going to click on this on Max Bounty. I'm going to click on build tracking link. One thing I want you to notice is you can get 100 actions per day. That means you can only sign up a max of 100 people to this offer a day. So that is $240 a day max that you can make with that. So that is a really good income. I mean, if you work that out in a month, that's well over $7,000 a month just off this offer. So then what I'm going to do is, now that I've clicked on build tracking link, I'm going to click on contextual. I like to use text link. Here you can see is my affiliate links. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select. So that's now copied. Click on copy link over here. Here you can see what this page looks like. So when your lead enters their first name, last name, email address, their date of birth, their mobile number, and their address, they will then enter the competition where they win or could stand a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card. So it's not guaranteed. It's kind of like a lucky draw thing. And you're going to get $2.40 per person that you get to sign in the details on this page. So what you're then going to do is, now that we've got our offer, and this is the most important part, we're going to come back to Twitter, and we're going to create our tweet that is going to go viral. I just typed out something really basic like this: win a $1,000 PayPal prepaid lucky draw competition. All you need is your name, email, and address to enter, and we will email the winner via lucky draw. Let's just type via lucky draw and enter here for free. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to Max Bounty. I'm going to copy my link over here, and then I'm going to come over to a website called bit.ly just to shorten the link to make it look more neat and professional, because you can see if I copy this link and paste it in my browser, you can see this is quite a long, ugly affiliate link that doesn't look very attractive. So I'm going to come over to bit.ly. I'm just waiting for this to load. I'm going to paste my link over here, and I'm going to click on shorten, and here you can see is a nice bit.ly URL that is much shorter and it looks a lot neater. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this here, and then we're going to click on tweet over here. So we want to post this tweet, and then all you want to do is you want to click on your tweet, and you want to copy, click over here, click on share. You want to click on copy link to tweet. You want to come back to TraffUp where you add your tweet. You want to click on enter URL, paste that tweet. Your points per retweet, keep it at default at 50. The points per like, keep it at 50. Keep the limit to no limit, so people can retweet your tweet unlimited times. Your category, we want to choose business. It's got to do with finance, money, giveaway. So then we want to click on submit details. Now what's going to happen is you need to rack up your points on TraffUp, and then all that is going to happen is people on TraffUp are going to retweet your tweet, because basically when they retweet your tweet, they get points, which is the points that's subtracted from your points, and then people that see their tweets are also going to retweet that tweet as well. So this is how you're going to get that to go viral, is getting people to retweet this over and over again using TraffUp. So from here, it's simple. Your job is just to come back to the Twitter page, follow some of these people. You can do YouTube, Instagram as well. As long as you keep racking up points, you can even buy points if you want to. So if you want to go buy, like for example, 6,000 points, you can spend $20, and your Twitter post will get retweeted so many times on 6,000 points. It's not even funny, because the more points you have, the more people are going to retweet your post. But as soon as you hit 0, people are going to stop retweeting your post, because obviously they're not going to get any points for that. So that's why it's important to make sure you've always got points. So you can either shortcut that, buy points, or you can go and work for your points on Facebook, Instagram. You can follow YouTube people. For example, if you subscribe to this person, you're going to get 50 points, 50 points, 50 points over and over again. SoundCloud, Pinterest, you name it. But obviously in this case, I've been using Twitter as I feel like it's the most quickest one, as you just click follow the person, done, get your 50 points, and that's how the retweet is going to go viral. And then all that's going to happen is people are going to then enter that PayPal giveaway, because it's literally a free PayPal money giveaway. You're not spending anything to enter, and people of course are going to enter that, and because it's your affiliate link, you are going to get $2.40 over here. You can see saw them out just somewhere, or let me just go back. Okay, I saw it on the previous page in the video where I saw it was $2.40. Let me just come back to the search bar quickly, and let's go PayPal again. Let's go apply search options. Here you can see, there we go, $2.40 per lead is what you're going to get, which is a good amount of money considering per person that just enters this giveaway for free. And if you are perhaps a bit confused on how they can afford this, what they actually do is when people enter this giveaway, they collect their emails into an email list. So they probably have an email list of over 100,000 people. They send out promotions, coupons, different affiliate products, and they kind of make their money back on their email list through different affiliate sales, or you name it, affiliate commissions. That's how they can afford to pay $2.40 per lead. So it's kind of their own way, this business's own way of reinvesting into their own advertising, is paying people like us to promote their giveaway to get them on their email list, which is a very smart business idea, because it's also giving people the chance to win free money, which I really like. So this is really a great way to get something like this to go viral and to get some really good PayPal commissions through Twitter. But that is going to be my video for today. I really hope you got some good value from this. This is a really enjoyable and fun strategy to do by just retweeting different Twitter posts and getting this to go viral. So you can also do this with different giveaways and CPA offers on Max Bounty. You don't only have to use PayPal, and you can retweet your posts on TraffUp. You can see if I add, let's go back, another tweet, you can add more than one tweet and you can get multiple tweets retweeted at the same time. Kind of, you're just going to see 2 to 3 times the revenue on Max Bounty, which is really nice. So that's one thing you could also consider. You can also use YouTube, Instagram, you name it. You can also create an Instagram page, get people to repost or reshare or post your Instagram post on their stories, and you can get a giveaway going like that, which is really awesome. There's really a lot of different opportunities with this that you can make money online with this. But what I'm also going to do is, on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my favorite playlist called Drop Servicing, where you sell high income skills such as coding, web development, skills that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for, and you don't even need to do the work yourself, which is really cool. So you don't need any knowledge, no experience like that, and that's everything I teach in this playlist. So if you want to check that out, you're welcome to go and click on that above. But until then, take care, and I'll see you there.